Yeah, good morning, everyone. And let's quickly look at today's market. And you see the way I'm making my decision. And this video is just for me to show other people how I think about the market and my strategy, just to share with everyone on in the group. So today, let me launch. This is a platform. This one is on my laptop. It's not on my server. It's my laptop. But I want to see what to do today. This is a server. You remember this is our server. You can see the reason why it's a server. And yesterday, like I advised, always keep your platform clean after you finish your trading. So now I'm going to discuss two things, but the first thing is let's try to quickly place a trade first. So now I want to see what is going on here. You see, these are the forex. Euro USD, strong buy. Pounds, I'm not going to go to pounds. No, pounds is stock sell. Okay. We have other things here. So I'm going to pick them one by one. 5 minutes, 1 minute, strong buy, neutral, 1 hour neutral. So let's forget about pounds today. So I'm not going to do anything with pounds. And here is giving me strong buy, strong sell. But let's try Euro USD and see what they are saying on this side regarding Euro USD technical analysis. So let's see, strong sell, 1 minute, 5 minutes, strong buy, neutral. 5 hours is neutral, daily is neutral, okay. But 5 hours is neutral, 1 hour, this is a short term. From 5 minutes to 1 hour is a short term. Okay, let's try and see. Let me look at Euro JPY. Technical analysis. The reason why I always like coming here is because every indicator that I'm supposed to put on my chart and be studying is already here. They have analyzed everything. So there's no need for me to be struggling with it again. So here, 1 minute, sell, strong buy 5 minutes, strong buy 15 minutes, strong buy 30 minutes, strong buy 1 hour. Strong buys is summary for 5 hours. Neutral, daily neutral, strong buy per week. Okay, like this one is from 5 minutes to 5 hours is strong buy. That is a Euro Japanese yen. So let me see if I see any Euro pairs, London pairs again. This one is neutral already. Euro JPY, US JPY is neutral. I cannot even try them because you can see summary of everything here is that if you look at the summary in a week A is strong buy. If we come here, so I would prefer Euro Japanese yen this morning. Let me look at my favorite again, which is pounds USD. You see, what we are doing here is not that it's going to give us 100% results. But what we want to do is that we want to get higher probability trading. The trading that is, at least we have higher probability. You see, 1 hour, anything that doesn't include 1 hour up, I don't really even like it. So I prefer, if at all, from 15 minutes to 5 hours, they are saying the same thing, the same direction. I would love to go for it. So now I think Euro Japanese yen will be my favorite this morning. Let me check it again. Somebody asked me a question that technical analysis that why how does the person state it? Okay, I will remember later. 1 hour strong buy, 30 minutes strong buy, 15 minutes strong buy, this 15 minutes strong buy, even 5 minutes strong buy. Let me check 1 hour. 5 hours strong buy. This is what I'm going to go for this morning, which is Euro Japanese yen. So now I'm opening my chart. I'm putting Euro Japanese yen, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Either you put it in 1 hour or 30 minutes or whatever, it doesn't determine, because our software doesn't really have interest in that. So now, is strong buy? Yeah, the question is, the person who asked me is, so far is strong buy, why am I selling again? And I'm going to answer that question. So let me go to currency low capital buy. Yeah, we are still putting everything there because our capital is not more than what we have analyzed yesterday. So we are still going to use the same thing that will help our capital to work. So now it's 2 levels, everything is okay. Then I put on buy on that chart. Then I come to this chart, I click and I load sell on that chart. So sell, yeah, everything is okay the way I've set it based on my capital yesterday. So if you don't watch my yesterday analysis and trades, just go and watch it. So now I'm concluded about this trade. So this is how it goes. So now I want some unusual thing to happen, and there's some things I didn't check that I need to let us know why I'm doing that. Let me go back here. You see, this 24 hours is a big mistake here. So let me go back here. You remember that from 5 minutes to 5 hours. So I have maximum of 5 hours to stay in the market, but I won't stay 5 hours. I just want 2 hours out of these 5 hours. That's the same this. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this one with the date, with the time I'm trading. Sorry, let me check my time. You have to look at your market watch time, not your computer time, because this is your server. This is what is controlling the time you put in your software. Is being controlled by market watch. So this is 9:44. If I add 2 hours to this, it's gonna give me 11:44. But I can't put 44 here. I'll put 11 o'clock. So now I'm going to put 9 here. It's already past 9, so the software is working, so there's no problem about that. Then I'm going to put 11 o'clock here, which is making 2 hours. I want the software to stay in the market. So then I come to the second chart. I did the same thing. So I'll put this one 9 o'clock, and I put this one 11 o'clock. So out of that 5 hours that we saw everything be strong, I will not even bother to exhaust the whole 5 hours. So I want to take 2 hours, because I've already know that once I make 50 cents a day, I've already qualified for my 24% per annum return. You understand? So this is how it goes this morning. In the evening, we're going to come back and look at the statement, look at what happened in the market, and see what have we done right and wrong. But like I said, why am I picking this Euro Japanese yen? Because it is the one that gave me strong direction for at least hours, 5 hours. You see. So if I want to trade, if let's say it's a strong direction from 1 minute to 1 hour, I can still trade it, but I won't stay in that market more than 1 hour. But I don't want anything that will give me strong direction less than 1 hour. You understand? So now I wish myself best of luck, and now we come back in the evening and look at what we have done here. So now I want to quickly go and talk about another capital. Let's say we have another capital that is different from what we are trading now. So I think I should quickly do one video to explain that to us. Okay. regarding the live, because this one is a live trade, so it's not, we don't have any issue on this. This one is a live trade, so we wait for the results of this in the evening. So I'll do another video. I think I should do that video separately, where we are going to have more than $500, and how can we calculate and can we make the software to manipulate our capital successfully using good money management skill. So till we meet in the evening, bye bye for now. Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the trade we had together this morning. Let me quickly do a recap on that trade. What is my server first? I think this is my server. So as the server is loading, good, my server has loaded, and we can see what did we make today. This everyday statement. So we have to come to custom period and we click today. So today we have made already $2.02. Remember, the funniest thing about this is which direction did we make our profit? We make our profit from buy direction, and in the morning our forecast is I want to load the website again. So our forecast coming place. So our forecast in the morning on EuroJPY is to what I put here. Let me refresh it and see, maybe everything goes fine. In 1 minute, strong sell, 50 minutes neutral, 30 minutes neutral, 1 hour neutral, 5 hours buy, but it's not a strong buy, neutral, week daily, strong buy during the week, and this month is most likely that we still need to buy, we go bullish on EuroJPY. But the most important thing is 5 is it's not a strong buy anymore, and it's neutral 1 hour, neutral 30 minutes, neutral 15 minutes, then strong sell in 10 minutes, in 5 minutes. If we look at this very well, the market is ranging. EuroJPY is now ranging. It's now ranging because if you look at 15, 12, 30, 1 hour and 5 hours, neutral, neutral, neutral. Only 5 hours is buy, and it's not a strong buy. So me, with my technical analysis, I will tell you that EuroJPY is now in the ranging position. So let's go to the chart. So that is how I've done my analysis that way. Now, in the morning, we open this trade, we open those buy and sell as usual, and our forecast in the morning is that we are going to make profit towards buying direction. Our prediction comes true. Yesterday, our prediction was that we are going to sell, we are going to make money in sell direction, but it went wrong. For hedging strategy we are using. So the buy direction is giving us $2. Now let's go back to trade. During the trade now, we see that we still have minus 58 cents towards sell direction. So this sell chart is standing as our stop loss. Ideally, we're supposed to stop our loss in a 10 cents, but as at the time this price reach here, we have not reached our 10 cents. Let me quickly show us in the code. In case of property, we saw after the second level, which is 0.02, our risk level close profit in dollars is 10 cents. You see, but unfortunately, we couldn't reach 10 cents. We are still floating at negative. Let me tell you, as a forex trader, I've made how much today? I've made $2.02. What I would do as a intelligent trader is to close this trade at loss. Why am I closing it at loss? Two reasons. I don't want to acquire, to have a swipe when it's midnight. That's number one. Number two, what is my daily target for my 24% per annum? Yesterday I show us during that time that if we want 25% per annum, we have 25% per annum on $507, and we per day our calculation is 0.1%, which is 52 or 51, I don't know, maybe 51, 52 cents per day. Now, if we are making 51 cents per day, that will be 0.51 per day times 20 trading days times 12 months. Is going to give us what? Let's quickly do that. Good. So we said 0.50 times 20 days we are trading, then times 12 months. Even, am I right? Okay, let me do it again. Per day is 0.51 multiplied by 20 trading days. That's give me $10 per day multiplied by $10 per day multiplied by 12. I'm going to get $122.4. Multiply this by 100 and let's divide it by our capital, which is 507. That this, you can see, this is going to give us 24%. Just a recap per annum. So now let's go and look at what we have per day today. What we add per day today is 202 minus the float. So I'm saying if I'm still having a return more than 51 cents, then I'm still still within my trading plan. So I'm going to close this manually. I close it manually. My software deletes and update my trade, and this one too will be deleted. Okay, then how much do we have today? We have $1.54. $1.54. So we made how much? $1.54. Okay, let us look at what happened today. Our plan is the worst day. We said the worst day we have to make how much? 0.1%. which is equal to 51 cents. 51 cents. That's our worst scenario for us to get 24% per annum. But today, we made $1.54. $1.54. So, how much is that translated to as a daily percentage for us? Let's quickly calculate that. $1.54 multiplied by 100 is equal to this. Then we have to divide it by 507, our capital, is equal to this. So instead, our initial plan that we at least we make 0.1% per day, today we made 0.03% per day. Per day. So now let's try something here. Let's try to try something. Let's say we made 0.30 today per day, multiplied by 20 days. Let's assume that we are getting 0.3 every month, every day, multiplied by 20 days, multiplied by 12. How much will that give us? Because now this is more than our initial plan. So what I'm going to do now is to pull out our calculator and said 0.30, 30 cents, multiplied by 20, multiplied by 12. We're going to have 72% return on investments. So guys, if you have $507 in your account, do your money management very skilled, have investment plan in mind. If you can have this discipline, you are going to be a successful forex trader. Let me tell you one secret. If you can have 2% per month, and you can make it that in 12 months, which is 24%, if you can keep your profile very well as a trader, one financial house can give you a huge money to start a trading career, and you will negotiate with them with this 24% per annum what you want to be getting. That's another discussion about forex. But now we've seen that if we consistently make this kind of trade every day, at the end of the year we are going to make 72% per annum. I think we can learn from this. So now, and last time when I came here, I told her that the market is ranging. Let's see if it is true. If you look at the market, you can see it's ranging. It's ranging now. There's no uptrend, there's no downtrend. Ranging has started. So this is how it goes today. And until we meet tomorrow, by the special grace of God, good night, everyone. Shit.